Alrighty. I guess I am live. I am live here on the Your Boy Big Jeff channel. What's going on, people? What's going on? Oh man, oh man. Oh wow, I did not bring my phone. Let me see something. Let me see if I'm able to switch accounts. Here it is. All right. All right. So it shows that I am live. What's going on, people? What's going on? I'm gonna wait for a couple of people to hop in. Wait for a couple of people to hop in. Man, why am I so far? Maybe I gotta come back some because I am so up in the camera. I don't know why it's so zoomed in like that. I might have to try something different. I have no clue. Uh, I have no clue. Uh, I might try. You know what? Because I'm streaming using my Logitech camera. I might try my iPhone another day and see if how that works as a camera. And see if it can give me a cleaner, more crispier. Um, oh no, I don't even know if that's gonna work for lighting. We put it above me. See how that works. Nah, we leave that alone. We leave that alone. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Hope all is well, guys. Hope all is well. Give me a one in the chat if you see me and if you can hear me. Oh, let's see if you can see me or hear me. I shouldn't have gotten rid of the YouTube panel. That I shouldn't have. Let's see. So far, all right. Let's see. All right, guys. So if you, I'm learning OBS as of right now. So just started live streaming recently. So please bear with me as I do this live stream. I'm currently like learning as I go with OBS. So appreciate y'all rocking with me. Let's go back to it. All right. All right, guys. So let's get into it. So first off, my name is Jeffrey Freeman, aka your boy Big Jeff. I am a work from home husband of 14 years, dad to four children. I've been in the online marketing, make money from home arena since uh, mid November of 2011. So it's going on 14 years for me being in the industry. I've done everything that you can think of when it came to make money online, but that's neither here nor there. I have a sales background in different things. I've sold Kirby vacuums. I've sold credit card processing machines, business to business. I've sold fur coats. My cousin owned the fur coat store. He has since passed. This was when I graduated in 2005 from high school. So I have done a lot of things. And up starting in 2019, I got my health license selling Medicare with United Healthcare. And then 2020, I ended up uh, getting into the life insurance industry. And that's when the journey began. Ever since then, I've done pretty well for myself. I don't have any team. I'm just like a producer. I still sell life insurance part time in addition to other income streams that I have. In addition to my work from home job that I work a 9 to 5 from home for the past 3 years, but I also have like other mini side hustles. Some of them automated that still make money for me in the background, where all I have to do is just manage it on a day to day basis. And that's just a little bit about me. But the reason for this live stream is I wanted to talk to other life insurance professionals, especially if you're new to the game. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. So, especially if you're new to the game, if you're new to the game, um, I wanted to talk to you. The reason being is that I know what it was like when I joined the life insurance industry back in 2020. When I got my life license. Like I just said previously, I already had my health license, but I wasn't doing life insurance. Life insurance seemed to be the way to go for most people because there was a lot more money to be made in the industry. So I decided to hop in there. I didn't have the best of luck out the gate, even though I had the training. And no shade thrown at the trainers or anything like that. Part of it, I believe, was me, but also I knew how difficult it was at the time to really talk to people because we were trained to talk to friends and family first. I absolutely hate that idea. To be honest with you, a lot of people say the warm market is the best market to go to first. That might be true for some people, but most of the time, family don't want to back you. You know, they back somebody else that's doing the exact same that's doing the exact same thing you're doing before they back you. I've been there before. And I never want to feel like I was begging somebody to do somewhere. It's like I wasn't going to get any benefit out of it, you know, or they weren't. You know, they could have got a benefit out of it, but they didn't see it that way. Sometimes family just don't support you. It is what it is. That's neither here nor there. But what I wanted to go deeper into about is that you get into this industry as a newbie and you just don't know everything you should know. It gets difficult talking to customers. Maybe you stuttering because you probably don't understand the insurance products that you have available at your disposal to sell, and you don't know which one will work best for that potential client. And even if you do know which one works best, you don't know how to explain it to them where they would understand it, where it can be simplified to their specific situation. And that could be a problem. You know, then it comes to the point where handling rejections, the ones that they get you, I can't afford it, or I already have life insurance through my job, or I think that it's a, you know, I think that it's a ripoff. I'll be paying for no reason. You know, whatever rejections or rebuttals that do pop up when it comes to the industry, when it comes to the life insurance industry. I've been there. I know what it feels like. I've been through it. Um, and the beautiful part about it is in these past couple of years, AI has made it very, very possible to change things around. So if you don't know certain things, you're able to use AI. I personally use it in every aspect of my life. I'm not going to lie to you. A lot of people are so worried about AI taking jobs, and that is a possibility. However, the smart move is to use AI to your advantage, so you don't have to worry about it taking your job. You can use it to your advantage, so you can start your own side hustle. That's what I did. I have different like different side hustles that involve primarily AI doing the heavy lifting for me. I just got to know how to manage the AI so the money can keep coming in. And I figured out that okay, whether you're someone that's definitely new to the industry or you've been in for like when I say new, maybe up to 6 months in the industry, or maybe up to a year at the max, and then even the veterans, people that's been doing it long as I've been alive, 30 something years. Um, I wanted to share with you a tool that I created called LifeAgent Pro that's specifically built for life insurance professionals. Um, Handles with scripts, rebuttals, and tools just to help you close more policies, handle rejections and rebuttals, and be able to run your life insurance business more effectively and smoothly. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna switch to it so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is it right here, Life Agent Pro, um, AI powered sales assistance for life insurance professionals, scripts, rebuttals, and tools to help you close more policies fast. Now, disclaimer, I can't guarantee that you will close policies because it still depends on your ability to sell. And also it depends on the customer themselves if they're open-minded enough. And if they're open-minded enough and willing to do so, obviously at the end of the day, no matter how great you are, it's still going to always depend upon the customer themselves to want to take action and close and buy a policy, you know. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and start giving some different rebuttals that I believe would help, so you can be well informed about how this works. So let me go to let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the first prompt right here, so you can see what I'm talking about. So, what's the best way to overcome already have life insurance through work? The client is a blue collar factory worker with a wife and 3 kids, 42 years old, live in a modest middle class neighborhood, little to no health issues. And it tells you right here. So to handle it, especially from a 42-year-old factory worker with a family, you need to educate and shift the mindset. So here's a direct and practical script you can use. Hey, that's a great start. Having something through work is better than nothing. But most people don't realize that job-based coverage often isn't enough. Let me ask you, if you lost your income, your job tomorrow, would that policy go with you? You let them answer. Exactly. Your job coverage is usually not portable. It's also typically 1 to 2 times your salary. If you're making 50K a year, that's maybe $50 to $100,000. Let's be real. If something happens to you tomorrow, how long would that last for your wife and your 3 kids? What we do is help families lock in their own private coverage, something they own and control. So no matter where you work, you're covered. And because you're in decent health and only 42, you can probably qualify for something really affordable right now. Would it be okay if I showed you what that could look like just to compare? Something like that, right? So see how easy that was, and you could rather say this verbatim, or you could literally improv it while you're speaking to the actual client. Um, I used this tool when I started it back in June of 2025. I put it together. It took me about a week or so to really put it together, and then that following week I used it, and I was able to close 3 policies that week using this. I had a mixture of different rejections and rebuttals, the whole 9 yards, and I was able to use it to close some policies. So I know for a fact that this actual tool can be of assistance. But let's just keep going. Let's talk about. Let me do another prompt that you can put in. Hey, right here, give me a confident, respectful rebuttal to let me think about it. Use the same client example above, right? So we're talking to the same client. We're going to let it think. Okay, here's a confident, respectful rebuttal. Tell it to your 42-year-old factory worker client with a wife and 3 kids. Hey, I totally respect that. This is an important decision, but can I level with you for a second? Now, when most people say, let me think about it, usually means that they have a question or concern I haven't addressed yet. What's the one thing on your mind right now that's holding you back? Okay, here's the thing. You've got a family dependent on you. If something unexpected happened tomorrow, having even basic protection in place could be the difference between your wife keeping the house or struggling to stay afloat. You said your health is good, and at your age, this is likely the lowest price you'll ever lock in. Waiting to think it over could literally cost you more every year you delay, or worse, you could lose the option altogether if something changes health wise. Why don't we just submit the application? No money is taken today. That way you secure your health class and price while you think it over. If you do decide to pass, no harm done. But if you wait, that window could close. Fair enough. So you see where I'm going with this. Like it literally will help you rebuttal certain objections that people have. So here's another one that we have. Explain an IUL to a couple that just had twins in simple terms. Use a newlywed couple with 2 kids ages, and I meant to say 6 and 8, but it just says and 8. So look what it did. So it gave me an actual explanation to give to this potential client. Okay, imagine your life insurance policy is like a safety net, and a savings account had is like a safety net, and a savings account had a baby. That's what an IUL is. It gives you the protection you need if something happens to you, so your spouse and kids are financially safe. But there's a twist. While you're alive and well, it also builds a pot of money you can access later for college, emergencies, or even retirement. The index part means the cash grows based on how the market does, like tracking the S&P 500, but with guardrails. So if the market goes up, you earn interest. If the market crashes, your money doesn't go backwards. It's like putting your money in a growth account that won't lose value in a downturn, kind of like a seatbelt for your savings. And you're in control. You can adjust how much you put in and even take money out later without penalties. So while you're raising your little ones, you're also building financial cushion for their future and yours. See what I'm saying? So that's where I want you guys to see how simple it is. So here's another one that we can do. Write a 3-day follow-up for someone who said they needed to talk to their spouse. Here's a 3-day follow-up or text message you could send to someone who said they needed to talk to their spouse. Hi, just checking in. Were you and your spouse able to chat about life insurance options? Boom. No rush, but I wanted to make sure all your questions are answered while we can still lock in your rate. Life gets busy, so I'm here to help you if you're ready to take that next step, even if it's just a review or adjust anything. So it's just little simple things like that. Let's keep it going. Let me find another. Let me find another prop. Well, let's just create one. Please explain final expense to a 65-year-old mother and grandmother on a fixed income with 4 adult kids and 6 grandchildren. See what I'm saying? So here's a clear and compassionate explanation of final expense. Mrs. Johnson, final expense insurance is simply affordable insurance plan designed to help cover your end of life costs, things like funeral expenses, medical bills, or any small debts, so your family doesn't have to scramble or go into debt when that time comes. You've raised 4 children, you got 6 beautiful grandbabies. This is really about leaving love, not bills. It's permanent coverage, which means it never expires as long as you pay your premiums, and the payments are fixed, so they never go up even as you get older or if your health changes. Most plans are designed to fit a fixed income. We can look at something that's $30 to $70 a month, depending on your needs. No med exam, just a few simple health questions. At the end of the day, it's peace of mind. Knowing your family won't have to stress when that time comes. It's a gift that takes care of them when you no longer can. So if you see what I'm saying, it's something like that. Or hey, write me a TikTok script with powerful attention grabbing hook that segues into a high converting script promoting the IUL with a CTA, call to action, to DM to book a call to learn how a IUL could be for you. Something like that. So look what it did. So it gave me a hook. You on camera. What if I told you there's a life insurance policy that can grow your money like a 401k without losing a dime in the market? Yep, it's called IUL. Most families have no clue it exists. And there you go. It's a 40-second script that you can use right there. And you can do it word from word, or you can literally improv it, your choice. And you be able to promote it on TikTok and be able to DM people that might be interested in it to book a call so they can learn more about it, and you might end up getting a client from that. So this right here literally just could possibly be, this can help you create content for whatever social media platform you're on. So let's just say change the platform to Meta. we're probably saying the same thing. You get what I'm saying? So you literally just have to know what to say to it and for it to work with you. So that way it can give you the best possible responses that you need, that will definitely help you. So let's just say you had another prompt that you wanted to say, give me 5 different content ideas for a series I can create on my TikTok to educate people about the power of having life insurance, both for protection and financial legacy. So here's 5 high impact TikTok series ideas. What if Wednesdays, real life what if scenarios, myths that keep you broke. We have legacy moves, shows how life insurance can be used strategically for wealth building. Or, like I said, the myths here, bust common life insurance myths in under 30 seconds. Paint quick, emotional what if stories showing how life insurance protects families. Policy breakdown, educate with simple, clear explanations. Real talk, what it really costs, break down affordability. And you'll be able to script it. See what I'm saying? So LifeAgent Pro can literally help you create content that's going to attract, that can help you generate leads, so you can get these people on the phone or on Zoom to do sales calls. It also is going to help you with explaining the actual products and specific to that client, to that potential client. It's going to help you with rejections and rebuttals, all of that. And also, if whether you're a captive or if you're someone that is a broker and you're with different carriers, you'd be able to take the PDFs of those carriers you're with, like the information that's needed, where you can identify the rate for them based on their health and all that. You'll be able to input it into LifeAgent Pro, and it can remember that information. So if you want to say, hey, well, based on the carriers that I've already given you, and with this specific client and their situation, what insurance I'm looking at an IUL, but which company will provide the best rates for them, something like that, and it'll literally spit it out for you. So like I said, this is an opportunity to really take advantage of something that can accelerate your life insurance business and take it to the next level. So that was LifeAgent Pro. Now that was the full version. Now I have a free version as well for those who may want to try it out first to see if it's something for them. I put the link to both the free version and the paid version in the description below. The free version is also available to ChatGPT free members as well as Plus members. Now, if you want the Pro version or the full version of LifeAgent Pro, you're going to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, meaning you're paying $20 a month, in order to be able to access the paid version, which is the full functionality, the one that I just gave you. Okay. Um, like I said, there's no better time than now to take advantage of that. LifeAgent Pro is something that I'm working on. It's still in its infancy. I have a beta launch going on for it right now, where you can get lifetime access to it for $97 one time. Here's the beautiful part about that and where it works for you to take advantage. At some point, I plan on opening up, making it monthly, because I'm going to create a community around it where I'm going to do like trainings on how to use LifeAgent Pro even more. Maybe we have actual life insurance agents getting on and brainstorming different ways on how to use it based on a problem that they may be having or a client that they have and what have you. So digging in hands first with actual agents to help them use LifeAgent Pro to its utmost ability. And also there's going to be a higher priced one time payment for lifetime access. Is rather 147 or 197, might be higher, I don't even know. But if I was you, $97 to get lifetime access to this, even when I even when I come out with a monthly community with it, you won't have to pay the month, you won't have to pay it. You be grandfathered in. This is my gift and my bribe to those who want to take advantage of it, to give me feedback to make the tool even better, as well as testimonials that can actually help me market it more. Um, what have you? So it's a win-win. You get a low lifetime access price, an opportunity to use this tool to crush it in your business, and in exchange, I get feedback to make the tool even better for you and myself. And on top of that, you don't have to worry about paying the monthly fee when I end up changing to a monthly when I add a community to it. So it's a lot of opportunity that comes with this. Um, and it's all about helping life insurance professionals. That's why I really wanted to put this together, because I truly believe that this can really be a big benefit and help a lot of people, a lot of professionals. And this is just still in its infancy. I'm still learning the ropes of how to update it more. I got big plans for it. Who knows? I might take it off this platform and put it somewhere else to even supercharge it even more. It just depends on how big I can make it. Um, just depends on how big I can make it. Just being honest with you, that's the vision long term. But if you ready for that and you want to be a part of that, like I said, the link to both the free version where you can try it out, get a taste, and then if you want the full dinner, the the full version will be in the description. The link to buy the full version will be in the description as well. Now let me say this: there will not be any refunds. The reason why that is because when you have to be a ChatGPT Plus member to even access it, paying $20 a month. Someone could purchase from me, be a Plus member, bookmark it. Once they do those things, they will have access to the tool no matter what. Um, and and somebody can literally refund. And if they refund from me, and they're a plus member and they bookmark the tool, as long as they remain a plus member, they always have access to the tool. I couldn't do anything about it. And that would be defrauding me as well as people who will be paying in good faith, not trying to do that. So as a result, there is a strict no refunds, all sales final policy. It is on the sales page as well. There is an option, the opportunity where you have to check I agree. Matter of fact, I'll show you right here. Let me go back to it. So it's like, make sure you read right here. It will tell you right here. Just read that, and down here you'll see it right here as well. So again, I understand someone is really turned off by that. I get it, but I have to protect my own interests in creating this product, because obviously I'm not doing it for free. This is a business for me by actually helping other life insurance professionals get access to this so they can crush it in their business, especially if you're getting it only for $97, and then one policy can literally pay for this multiple times over, and you have lifetime access to it. So it wouldn't be no reason to want to like chronic refund a scam out of paying for it to keep access. It wouldn't make sense to do that. But I have to protect my interests as well as other customers who will be paying for this in good faith and not trying to do that. So again, if that's something that doesn't vibe with you, I completely understand. But that's just the way it is. I'm just have to be honest with you. Um, so again, that's pretty much all I had. I'm going to be talking about LifeAgent Pro a lot, going live every day that I possibly can to share this with you guys that might be interested in it. And this is just for life insurance professionals. I have another custom AI tool that I'm creating in the works now, specifically for TikTok creators. Um, even if you're in TikTok shop or not, but that's something completely different from this. This one is specifically to help life insurance professionals. I will be putting out content to help life insurance professionals as well. But other than that, that's all that I have for you at this time. I appreciate those who may have hopped on. Be sure to share this live with anyone you feel that may benefit from it, especially someone that is a life insurance professional that would benefit from using this tool. Like I said, it's just in the works now. It's in its infancy. That's why it's in beta phase. And I forgot to say, I'm looking for 100 spots to be closed. I'm looking for 100 spots. So once 100 spots are taken, the beta phase will be over, and then it's going to go public. And I'm going to raise the price, the one-time access price, to rather 147 or 197. So if you want to save a few bucks and avoid that happening, and especially avoid having to pay monthly when I start that option, when I create a community around it, I recommend that you grab the $97 offer like ASAP. Because once 100 spots are taken, that's pretty much it. Not gonna lie to you. But other than that, I appreciate you guys being on the live. Um, I don't think I have anything else to say or bring about it. But other than that, appreciate you guys. Go forth. Let's crush it together. I will see you in the next live stream. All right. You guys take care.